What's up, what's up, what's up? It's your boy Big Bob's back in here with another video. I'll be working on my Cj7 with the rear brakes. The brake line is kind of messed up, so we're gonna go ahead and take care of that today. So what I have here is a Rubicon Express brake line. Came with a little kit right here with a few stickers. So we're gonna go ahead and try to take out the old one and put the new one in. All right, so the issue that I'm having is that the little tab is bent kind of far back and it hits the fuel tank, and when it flexes it bent this brake line here. So I'm not getting the best flow for fluid to my brakes. So I'm gonna bend the tab a little bit forward and then put the new line in. Hopefully that'll clear it up better. But obviously when I did the stretch, right, when I put the new axle in and with the stretch and the flex, it's just getting too close to the gas tank. So that's my goal, to try to fix this today. I'm sure it's gonna be a little bit of a pain getting some of these hoses off, but that's what I'm gonna work on. I'm expecting my passenger side rear brake line was crushed, so I went and bought some new lines. See how flat it is right there? So eventually I want to get some steel braided lines for the rear so I can route them better. Some more lines from O'Reilly's. I just have to bend it. So if you saw my other bends, it's not the best bends in the world, but maybe I'll try using this bender tool this time and see what I can do. this in. All right, brake lines are done. They're not the prettiest, but they function for now. The Jeep stopped being well. I intend to buy some stainless steel, some stainless braided steel ones, or some braided steel ones in the future. So that'll be way down the line. My brakes work now. So I have one more project I want to work on. I'm gonna try to get my steering. I had a leak with one of my hoses, so I'm trying to get to that tomorrow. Anyway, Big Bob's back in here. Peace and I'm out.